My name is Omoplan. Today I'm gonna teach you how to record your screen with your Android phone. Thanks for watching. The first thing you do, you go to your Play Store to download the app. Type Control Center iOS 11. Click on it. Then 11, you click. Then you will install. It's for Android. After installing the app, you go back and click on the app. This is Control Center. It's loading. Then you wipe down here. Wipe down. You click on this red point. Click on it. Then it will count 1, 2, 3. Then you click on start now. Then you start recording what you want to record. Like maybe you want to record someone's voice on WhatsApp, Facebook, screen, and so on. Then you go back to the application and wipe down again. You click on this red point again. Then you stop it. Then you go back to watch what you've done. Thanks for watching. On the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to edit the video you've done, so that you can post it, so that you reduce it to what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.